Hi guys, hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'll be talking about different pot sizes that I have used for chili plants. First of all, let me tell you that I only have 1 year of experience in gardening, and my opinion will be based on that 1 year's experience of whether pot sizes matters or not. So let me show you 3 pots in which I have planted my chili plants. So here I have with me 3 pots of chili plants. So one here is growing in around 8 to 10 inch pot, and these two are around 4 inches. So you can clearly see that the one in the 8 to 10 inch pot is a bigger plant than the ones growing in 4 inch pot. So if you ask me if the pot size is important, then yes, it matters. It matters to allow the plant to grow to its full potential. But then if you ask me if you should wait for getting a pot of the ideal size before starting to start gardening or planting, then no, because if you see, even in the small pot we still have few chilies in this. It's not that it won't allow to form any fruits, but if you want to have a bigger plant, then obviously you need to go for a bigger pot. But if you just want to see how a plant grows, how a chili plant grows, just for the fun of it, then you can definitely grow in a smaller pot. You need not wait for a ideal condition. So it will still give you chilies. So here in this pot you can see there are 4 chilies in this, 3 bigger ones, 1 small that is still growing. And here you can see even this plant, this is a slightly bigger plant than this one. So the reason why this one is a bit bigger than this is because this one was a weaker plant from the onset itself. So here you can see I have 3 tomato seedlings. So out of this 3 you can see that this one is very weak, correct, when you compare it to the other 2. So similarly this was a weaker plant like this one. So I did not repot it into a bigger pot. I thought of just keeping it in the small pot and see what happens. And one regular plant I kept in this. This is not even a pot. This is actually a bread package. So even you can use this kind of package. If you can see, I have a decent sized plant in this bread package, you can say. This is around 4 inches, like I said before. So in this also you can see that I have quite a bit of buds in this, and chilies are just starting to form in this. I will show you 1 or 2. So here you have 1, then there is one another here, this one here, and there are many buds. So the possibility of more chilies are still there. So if you ask me why the smaller plant already has some chilies and why this one is just getting some chilies, is because this was an extra plant. So I had kept it in a space where it got a lot of wind, and there was one day in particular when it was very windy and all these leaves got ruined, and I thought this was almost like dead, but I just left it because it was lying in a corner, so I did not really take care of it. But it regrew all its leaves again, so all these leaves came up fresh again, so it kind of restarted its growth, and then finally now we have buds in it. So had it not been for those winds and all, this would have given fruits by this time already. But anyways, I am still happy with how this is growing, especially because I did not really take much care of it. So in a 4 inch pot itself you can get a size of this plant, which is very decent size. But if you are really serious and want to get a lot of fruits, then you should ideally go for this kind of size. So this one is, like I said before, 8 to 10 inches. And I feel that 8 to 10 inch is a decent amount of size. I can say that the pot size does matter. But should it stop you from planting? No, you need not. You can just start your plants in a smaller pot and it will still give you some fruits, especially chili. Yeah. So I'm not sure about other plants, but at least for chili I can vouch for chili plants that it will definitely give you some chilies even if it is a small pot. That's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you in understanding the pot sizes that can be used for chili plants especially. Thank you for watching the video. See you. Bye.